All right, good evening, everybody. We've got a little light snow falling through parts of the state. This little system really will affect portions of western and central Montana. Helena seeing a little light snow in the last hour or so, temperature of 28 degrees. I'm not worried about the temperature down at the surface. I'm a little worried about what it's doing up here. Hundreds, if not a couple thousand feet above the surface. Some warmer air is coming in, and that may change the precipitation type. Same goes for Great Falls. Nothing yet, but tomorrow morning we may have some icy conditions on the roads. 29 degrees right now. Speaking of icy, 5 degrees in Havre, 8 right now in Glasgow. Another very cold day up on the High Line, parts of the High Line, 21 in Cutbank. It's pretty warm. But there you can see that precipitation moving through southwest Montana, affecting Butte America and Elliston and a lot of Lewis and Clark County here right now. Some heavier snows right there, but notice the direction that this precipitation is moving from the southwest to the northeast. Coming up from the southwest is some of that warmer air aloft that may mix the precipitation. We may get a little freezing rain, freezing drizzle, and even a little sleet out there tonight. But right now you can see some of that snow. Boy, Interstate 15 over the North Hill here, and then through Sebin Flats and Wolf Creek Canyon. Rogers Pass had some pretty good snow. Lincoln picking up some snow here as well. Maybe a few flakes out there around Townsend and Canyon Ferry, but some of the snow will gradually come up into Cascade County as we go through the next few hours. And look at that, some snow starting to fall around the Augusta area here. Just a piece, a fragment of this bigger storm that's really hammered parts of California, Nevada, Utah. We just get a little piece of this snow coming up into the state here tonight. Now, precipitation type, the pink is a mix, wintry mix, some ice, some freezing rain, and through the next few hours it's mainly just some light snow, but as some of this warmer air comes in, again, aloft, several hundred, if not a few thousand feet above the surface here, we'll start to see a little freezing rain coming through the overnight hours. Not a lot of people on the road here, 3:30 in the morning, so a light little coating of some freezing rain could make for some very slippery conditions. Please be careful tomorrow morning. May have a little lingering freezing drizzle or some flurries until about 7, 8 o'clock into the morning hours. So the morning issue, going to work, going to school, that will be an issue with some slick conditions on the roads. Maybe a little snow up until about early noontime up around the Havre area, but by 1, 2 o'clock, the clouds are breaking around Helena and Great Falls. Temperatures are going above the freezing point, and the roads, the conditions will improve as we go through the afternoon and the evening here. And it's dry for Friday night and for most of the weekend here. Looking at Saturday, we've got mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Just a little coating, maybe an inch or two of snow and a little glaze of ice, and that could make for some slick conditions as we go through tonight into tomorrow morning. So tonight, places like Cutbank, Conrad, Shelby, Valier, Choteau, Augusta, Great Falls, Cascade, Fort Benton eventually, Loma, a little freezing drizzle, a little light snow here. Havre probably not until just before sunrise tomorrow morning. Hinsdale, a cold night tonight down to 0. Some light snow into the Little Belts tonight, and the Helena area, a little light snow, maybe a little freezing drizzle mixed in. So that could make for some slippery conditions as we get into tomorrow morning. But by tomorrow afternoon, again, the clouds are breaking up, and we've got temperatures up above the freezing point for a lot of the state. Havre, Glasgow stuck in the cold air once again. For Saturday, not too bad. Havre above the freezing point, let's hope 34 degrees. 40s for Great Falls and Lewistown and Roundup, 40s out across some of the plains. Sunday, increasing clouds. We may have a few snow showers coming through on a Sunday night in the mountains, but Monday, we're back to mild conditions with temperatures into the 30s and the 40s for highs. So a little ice tonight into early tomorrow morning. Please be careful. Again, road conditions will improve as the day wears on. Maybe a snow shower Sunday night and maybe a little light snow. I could see 1 or 2 inches next Wednesday here. And for Great Falls, every single day with highs at least into the 40s.